Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of this beautiful vintage Coach Willis bag. As you can see, it's in the color red. Its style number was 9927 and it was made sometime in the early 90s in the United States. And as you can also see, it still has the original price tag attached. So it looks like it was never used. So it's just in amazing condition. It comes with a detachable and adjustable crossbody strap, which you would attach here to these top hardware pieces. And it's also got a convenient top handle. And then here's where you would adjust the strap. And then it also has the matching two-sided hang tag. It says Coach on the hang tag on both sides. And then along the back, it's got a nice deep slip pocket. And then when we open the turn lock closure, it's also got a slip pocket under the front flap. And it's also got a back zip pocket along the inside interior of the bag. So it's got 3 pockets, and it's also got the Coach Creed stamped there along this back zip pocket. I'll insert a photo so you can see it better than I can easily show it on video. And it's got this little Coach booklet that it came with. So that is the beautiful vintage Coach Willis bag.